A pyrometer is a scientific instrument used to measure very high temperatures from a distance without physical contact.
This makes it very useful in environments where temperatures are too extreme for regular thermometers.
Electromagnetic waves carry energy away from the surface of the glowing material.
The pyrometer detects this radiation and converts it into a temperature reading. Because it relies on radiation, a pyrometer can measure moving objects or surfaces that cannot be touched.
This makes it safe, fast, and efficient in extreme heat environments.
There are two main types of pyrometers: optical and infrared. Optical pyrometers compare the visible light emitted by a hot object with an internal reference source. These devices are used for extremely high temperatures, such as molten metals or inside furnaces. Infrared pyrometers detect infrared radiation to measure temperature instantly. They are widely used because they are fast, accurate, and easy to operate.
Industrial infrared pyrometers can be permanently installed for continuous monitoring. They are ideal for measuring hard-to-reach or moving surfaces.
They ensure safety, quality control, and energy efficiency in these industries.
Pyrometers are also used in laboratories and automotive engineering. Engineers use them to measure exhaust and engine surface temperatures.
In summary, a pyrometer is a non-contact temperature measuring device essential for high-temperature applications. Its speed and precision make it indispensable in modern industries.